So I'm Travis Flateau. I'm the founder of TBT Racing. Started out as Tuning by Travis when I was 14. Got some graphics made in 1997 for TBT Racing, and the rest is pretty much history from there. So TBT Racing, we're building an army of owners. Our hashtag on Instagram is Army of Owners. Our goal is to build out a family-style network of 20 locations globally where we can service motorcycle dirt bike racers from motocross, supercross, endurocross, desert racing, hard enduro, dual sport riding, and those types of things. We provide technology to the licensees that then they can do their job without having to spend tons of time testing. David and I realized doing this on your own is very difficult. The amount of time it takes to develop a product and then take it to market, and you're just duplicating your work really, trying to do it for multiple locations. And so now we can provide that technology to the licensees for a small monthly fee, and they're able to provide their customers with world-class suspension settings without doing all the testing, without doing all the marketing, branding. We take care of social media, we take care of email, we take care of customer follow-up, we take care of the website, we take care of parts sourcing, and all the technology for our licensees.